All right, now today I'm going to show you guys how to set up the Google Cloud console so that you'll be able to access all the Google services and APIs and stuff, okay, on your N8N. So first, kind of go to Google Cloud. This is the Google Cloud website. So if you don't, if you're not a, you don't have a new Google Cloud account, all you have to do is just click Start Free, and you kind of just go through the simple steps of signing up. So I've already done that, so I'm not going to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump here. As you can see, this is actually the Google Cloud Console. Okay, the first thing to do is you need to have a project started so that you can assign to it. So first things first, this is a setup one, but I will go ahead and create a new project. So first, you need to create a project. Okay, so you need to go give it a name. There's today's date. Okay, pretty much a simple one. Click create, and you can see here it's gonna wait and create. Okay, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna select the project there, and now you already have a project. Now the second thing is you actually need to enable the APIs that you need to use. Okay, so for example, now I'm just gonna take the Gmail API. We need to create create Gmail API itself, and you need to enable it. So you're gonna wait a little bit. Okay, now you have this API enabled. So next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to authentication consent screen. Okay, so you don't have anything set up, so you need to get started first, right? So then give an app for this. So it's gonna do it and do test. Same thing. Sorry. I probably just do this. Support this is your pretty much your account. Do this next. Audience, you take external. Next, let's put an email. Okay. Email.com. Okay, next. You agree, continue, and create. Right. So you pretty much have that set up. So next, you gotta go back. All right. Next, what I'm gonna do is you create the credentials. So you need to go to credentials, keys, and credentials. This one, first one, credentials. Okay. Now you need to create a or authentication 2.0 client ID. So you need to click on create ID, type web app. So we're going to name this as N8N client, maybe any name you want. This is just what I have. 6. Okay. So this is the important part. This is the authentication redirect URI. So this is where you need to get the information from N8N. Okay, what you're going to do is your N8N desktop dashboard, sorry. I'm going to create a workflow, so trigger one, and you can add Gmail and get any notes. Then it's going to create a new, right? So Here is where you need to get the authenticate redirect URL. Okay, this is where you're gonna put it here, right? And then you're gonna create it. Now, this is very important, whereby you have the client ID and the client secret. Okay, all you have to do is just copy it back here when you create. Oops, sorry, not this one. This one. So the client ID is here, and the secret is here, right? Then probably I'll just change the name. Okay, save it. Okay. So first thing, when you try to do this, right, and you click on this, you'll most likely get error. Okay, access denied. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna come back here. Okay, once this is okay, you will need to push to production. Okay. Alright, so to enable the thing, you also need to come to the audience page and publish the app itself. So you need to confirm. Okay. Right, once that is done, only then you'll be able to access the workflow. Click on this back again, right? Fill in your client ID, client secret, click on this. And yes, so pretty much you have it, but you have advanced. Yeah, go to, select whatever you need and continue. Yep, there's where you get your access connected.